Hi guys, welcome back to my channels. Hi guys, this is Claire. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's videos, we're gonna recreate Jennie Kim's How You Like That poster makeup look. So if you want to recreate as well, or you want my method for this makeup look, so please keep on watching. Thank you. So I already did my skincare. Now we're going to apply a primer. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. Next, I'm gonna use a new foundation. So I already tried this foundation. It's not a foundation, it's a cushion. It's from Manage. I got this online. So I'm in the shade 01. So this is Freestyle Manage Light Makeup Air Cushion Cream. So this one, and this is the inside. I think that's okay. Now use concealer. So I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible in the shade Cashew. This one. I'm gonna use this concealer brush. Now using this flat top brush, I'm gonna blend that concealer under on my chin, my forehead. Now we're done with the base. Now I'm gonna apply this loose powder from Nichido in the shade Pink Glow. Now I'm gonna fill in my brows. So Jennie's eyebrows there is like straight like this. I'm going to try to do that on my eyebrows. So I'm using this Careline Wow Brow Liner in the shade Almond. Now, using this angled brush and the spoolie, I'm gonna blend eyebrow conceal. And then in this Sunny's Face Life Brow in the shade Ash Brown, gonna apply that as well on my brows. Now on the eyes. So looking at the picture of Miss Jennie Kim, she has this eyeshadow, like kinda orange, kinda brown of eyeshadow at the top of her eyelids. So I'm gonna do that using this new shadow from Manage. It has 14 color eyeshadow. So I think I'm gonna use this dust to put that all over my eyes. This one, using flat brush, just all over my lids. Yes, using the other end of the brush, I'm gonna blend the shadows just a little. Now I'm gonna give my eyes a little bit of definition. So I'm gonna put a reddish brown shadow on the outer corner of my eyes. I will use this cinnamon over here using this contour brush, and also on the inside corner so that I have that halo effect. Now I'm gonna blend that shadow so that we don't have that sharp edges. So we want that blended effect, soft edges. Then, since it has like a little glitter in the picture, I don't know, but I'm gonna give it a twist a little. So I'm going to use this on the same eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use this tangerine over here, this orange glitter shadow. I'm gonna use my fingers to apply it. Okay, now on the under eyes. Let me apply eyeliner first. So she has this super skinny liner on her upper eye liner. So I'm gonna use this super liner again from L'Oreal. So I'm gonna line my eyes like closer to my eyelashes so that we will achieve that skinny liner that she has on the poster or on the photo. Okay, we got that. Now we're going to tightline our eyes using this BYS glitter and liner duo. So I'm gonna use the liner side here and then tightline the upper lash line. I like this because it's super black. That's why I'm keep using it. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm gonna put mascara on. I'm gonna use this Essence Get Big Lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna apply lashes. We're going for natural lashes right now. So I'm gonna use this, reuse the lashes that I've used the last video. I'm gonna use this Rippy glue for adhesive that get tacky. So I'm gonna apply some peach liner on the lower lash line. How you like that? Bada bing, bada boom, boom, boom. Now, the lashes is tacky. I will apply this closer to my upper lash. I'm gonna use this highlighter again. This is my favorite. This highlighter from Lustrous. It's called Cassiopeia. I'm gonna use a small brush. Yeah, this brush. And then put a shimmer on my inner corner. Okay. I'm done. Done. Now for the fun. Now for the fun part. I'm gonna use a red eyeshadow over here. This rose one. And then apply that on my lower lash line. Then I'm using this brush right here. Dum 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 dum. See? That's fun. Now I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna try to use this Vice Aura Duo. This one. The blush. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush. Then I'm gonna try to put that on the... Now that's okay. Now I'm gonna contour. I want to contour because I have those big cheeks. I'm gonna use this EB Advanced Contour Shade and Light Palette. I'm gonna use this one. And then I'm gonna contour using this brush. And I'm gonna contour my nose using the same shade, and then this angled brush right here. Yes girl. Now I'm gonna highlight those the nose lang, nose only. So I'm gonna use this Vice Cosmetics Aura Duo in the shade Prankster. Okay, now for the lips. Going to use this Blight Cosmetics Cloud Tint in the shade Mist. First, I'm gonna use the blush over here just to smudge the my upper lips with the brush. I'm gonna put a little. And then using my fingers, I'm gonna smudge that. Put a little more. Like that. And then I'm gonna put some lip gloss. This is from Essence. Shine 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 Wet Lip Lip Gloss. Just a little. Very little. This is so cool. I like this. Now I'm gonna fix my hair off cam, and I'm gonna see you later. 3, 2, 1, action! So this is the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye!